The Truth About How to Make Every Woman Respect You. This is a book that teaches men how to make women respect them. The author, Steve Harvey, is a well-known comedian and TV personality. The Truth About How to Make Every Woman Respect You by Steve Harvey is a guidebook for men on how to make women respect them. It teaches the reader about the qualities that will get him noticed by women. What is respect? Respect is the appreciation that someone or something is valued, esteemed, and cared for. Respect can be shown in different ways. Respect can be shown by listening to what the other person has to say and understanding their point of view. Respect can also be shown by apologizing when you have done something wrong and by not criticizing them when they are trying to do something right. In order to show respect, it is important that we recognize that everyone has a right to their own opinion, even if we don't agree with it. How to respect women? It is a question of how to respect women in the world. And it is not just about respecting them as individuals but also about respecting their roles and activities as mothers, wives, sisters, daughters, and workers. Gender inequality is a global issue that impacts women in every country and region in the world. The United Nations has identified gender inequality as one of the most significant challenges facing humanity today. Why should women respect men? How should women respect men? This is a question that I have been pondering for a long time. I think it is in the best interest of women to respect men and learn from them. Women can learn from men what it means to be selfless, assertive, and confident. Men are not perfect, but they can teach women some valuable lessons about life skills and how to live with dignity. This article will explore why women should respect men and why this is important for their own well-being. Do women already respect men? The answer to this question is not as straightforward as it might seem. Women have been the victims of oppression, but they also have been the oppressors and perpetrators. For example, in the past, women were not allowed to vote or go to school. They had no rights, and they were treated like property. Nowadays, many women are successful and powerful politicians, businesswomen, and entrepreneurs. However, there are still many cases where women are being oppressed by men and other women. For example, there is a constant debate about sexual harassment in Hollywood and how actresses are treated poorly during auditions. There are also reports of female actresses being paid less than their male counterparts for doing the same job. The final word on how to make every woman respect you. Having a woman's respect is a sign of being a man. A man who is respected by women has power over them and is more likely to get what he wants. It doesn't matter how much you think you deserve their respect, if you don't have it, then you will never be able to make any woman respect you. The first step in making any woman respect you is to give her the space she needs. She should feel like she has the freedom to do whatever she wants without having to worry about what other people are thinking. What exactly makes women respectful? In our society, we have a tendency to associate respectfulness with being submissive. This is not the case. Respectful women are independent and strong-willed. They do not feel the need to follow what others say, but they do it because they know that it is right and will benefit them in the long run. We need to teach girls that respectfulness is about standing up for themselves and their rights. If we don't teach them this now, when will we? How to get women's attention and keep them around. Women are often more selective than men when it comes to choosing a business. Women are often not interested in the first thing they see, and they're more likely to research what they want before making a decision. This section will go into detail on how to attract women and keep them around as customers. How to make every woman respect you. It is true that women have dominated the workforce for a long time now. It is also true that they have been able to achieve a lot more than men could in the same time period. But it is not just about achieving success and being better than men, it is also about being respected. In this video, we will discuss the key tip to make every woman respect you. Be authentic. Women want to know that the person they are with is real and not fake. In order for you to be considered real, you need to make sure that your actions match the words coming out of your mouth and vice versa. So if you say that you like bread, don't order a salad from your date, eat some bread with them. If you say that you're shy around people, act shy around people. Conclusion: how to make women respectful towards you and start getting more opportunities in life. It is always a good idea to be respectful toward women. It is not just because they are women but also because they are human beings who deserve respect. It is not easy to make them respect you, but there are certain things that you can do to make it happen. The following points will help you understand how to make women respectful towards you and start getting more opportunities in life. 1. Be polite. 2. Be kind. 3. Listen to what she says. 4. Give her the space she needs. 5. Respect her privacy. Respecting women is not an option, you have to do it. This section is a collection of articles that talk about the importance of respecting women. Women are not objects, they are humans and deserve to be treated with respect. This section talks about the importance of respecting women and how every person can make a difference in their own way. Practical exercise of how to make women respect you more. How to make women respect you more. It's a question that is asked by many men who are seeking a better relationship with the opposite sex. Women respect men who are confident in themselves, can lead, and have their own opinions. Here is some practical exercise that will help you gain respect from the opposite sex. A confident smile is a human magnet. It will make you more attractive to women as it signals confidence and power. Next time you are in a social or work setting, practice smiling for about 1 minute without any other facial expression. Then look back at the mirror and try not to smile because you will just be reminding yourself of how much of an idiot you look like trying to do that. Pay attention to your body language when he is speaking in order to show him respect, whether you agree with what he is saying or not. It's just a joke, I don't see anything funny about it, but it was only a joke. You have to lighten up. Social skills and how to talk to women. It can be hard to break the ice and start a conversation with someone you are attracted to. Here are a few tips to help. Take the initiative and introduce yourself. If you're sitting at the bar, ask them what they're drinking. If they aren't busy, strike up a conversation with them over their drink. If you find yourself at a party or event where most people are standing in small groups, and there is little opportunity to break into conversations, say hi to someone you've already spoken to and see if they can introduce you to people who seem interesting. How emotional intelligence affects relationships. A person's emotional intelligence can affect the relationships they have with their friends, family, and colleagues. This is because people who have high emotional intelligence are able to identify their own emotions, as well as other people's emotions. They are also able to manage their own reactions to these emotions in order to maintain a healthy relationship with the person they're interacting with. People who lack emotional intelligence may find themselves in unhealthy relationships because they cannot identify or understand their own feelings. They also may not be able to control how they react to these feelings, which can lead them into aggressive or abusive situations. The positive traits that respectful men possess. Respectful men are attentive, kind, and caring. They have a natural desire to help others and are always there for their partners. This article will explore the benefits of dating respectful men. Men who are respectful show up in our lives when we need them most. They're not afraid to be vulnerable and show their emotions. They respect women and know how to communicate with them in a way that makes us feel comfortable. The importance of respect in relationships. Respect is one of the most important aspects of any relationship. Respect for oneself and for others. It's a two-way street. You can't expect to get respect from others if you don't show them the same respect. People who have a healthy respect for themselves and those around them are happier, more confident, and more successful in life. They are also more likely to have better relationships with their friends, family members, co-workers, and partners. How good communication skills lead to respectful relationships. Good communication skills are a must-have in order to have respectful and healthy relationships. Poor communication skills can lead to misunderstandings and conflicts. In this section, we will explore the importance of good communication skills and how they can lead to respectful relationships. We will also look at some of the most common mistakes people make when communicating with others and what we can do about them. Poor communication is one of the main reasons for conflict in relationships, so it is important that we work on our communication skills if we want to maintain healthy, respectful relationships for ourselves and for those around us.